our bird. Looking as pretty as a Thanksgiving Day turkey, huh? Just smaller. Here's a dinner set up for the first night. We have our chicken thigh, some garlic bread, steamed broccoli with cheese. And here's what we have left to shred up for the next 3 nights. We have our chicken breasts and our chicken wings in there. So I'm gonna eat dinner first, then I'll get to shredding. Won't take long. Chicken's just falling apart at this point. So hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, hit the notification buttons, and have a great evening. Thanks for watching.